Viewers, let's start burpees. So we will do the simpler one first. It consists of 3 steps. Step 1 is to resume full arm plank. Then jump towards your hands is step 2. Raise your arms is step 3. Again hands on the floor, resume plank, up, again jump back, jump towards your both hands, raise your arm, jump back, jump towards your hands. So now we will perform second version of burpees, that is the harder one. So place your both hands beside your chest, be in full arm plank, push up, jump towards your hands and jump up. Then again jump back, full arm plank, push up, jump towards your hands, jump up. Again jump back towards your hands, jump up. Back, push up, jump towards your hands and jump in the air. So it consists of 4 steps. The first step is to resume a full arm plank. Then step 2 is to push up, and step 3 is exhale towards your hands, and 4th is jump up. 1, second is push up, third is jump towards your hands, and 4th is up. Jump back, 2, 3, 4.